These are like the craziest shorts I've ever owned. What's going on YouTube? Taylor Prentice back here with another video. And in this video, we're going to be unboxing, or unbagging as I like to say, the Supreme Gradient Knit shorts that dropped last week. So these were super fire. I actually hadn't known that these were going to come out. I did a terrible job at looking at the Supreme drops before the season, like the whole drop list for the spring summer. So a lot of these pieces have been kind of a surprise to me, which has made it a little bit more exciting, to be honest. And when I saw these, I was like, gotta have them. And yeah, with all that being said, let's just get into the fun part. So, comes with this sticker. This sticker definitely is like very reminiscent of early 2000s magazine type of imagery. They did have a t-shirt with this image on it. I like this t-shirt, or I like this image. Just the t-shirt was pretty basic. It was just like a rectangular image on a t-shirt, but regardless, I really like that image, so I might have to do something cool with that sticker. Usually I don't end up using the stickers, but I do like that one. And as far as stickers go, we've got a couple of the Supreme ones. We have one of the Arabic Supreme logos, which is cool. I do not have any of those in the collection, but yeah, that is it for stickers. And then yeah, here we have the shorts. So yeah, these are just super crazy. The knit part is really what sold me on these. If the gradient was done in like a print or just in a different form, I don't think I would have liked them nearly as much as I do. But yeah, the knit definitely makes these. And I did try and work on the lighting, so hopefully the lighting is a little bit better when you're looking at these pieces. But I'm gonna try and do some B-roll up close just so you guys can see the details. So yeah, as you guys can see here, the knit and everything is just crazy. The details on this piece definitely make it. I am kind of nervous that I will end up snagging these, but I think that's just part of like a piece like this. So you guys can see here, we have the little Supreme branding there in that classic font. But yeah, it even says on the care tag that these are likely to snag. So that does not give me any more faith that I won't snag them. But here's the back pocket. Other than that, we just kind of have the gradient knit kind of going on throughout the piece. But yeah, these are super fire. I'm super happy that I bought these. Definitely going to get a lot of wear out of these this summer. And yeah, I'm going to try to not ruin them. But yeah, these are crazy. They feel super soft. They've got nice big pockets, which I really enjoy. I'm a sucker for shorts with nice pockets. The pocket on the back too. So yeah, these are super cool. Very excited to try them on. I did go with a size small. I feel like typically size small from Supreme for shorts fits me pretty well. So yeah, I'm gonna try these on, and then later on in the video I will be trying to put together 3 different fits with these shorts. Don't want it to just be an unboxing. I feel like that can get kind of boring. And yeah, if you guys have been watching my channel lately, when I do pickups videos, I try to incorporate me styling whatever piece I am unboxing into those videos. So yeah, let me know down below if you guys enjoy that, or if you'd rather me just unbox them, show the details, and then kind of move on. So yeah, I'm gonna conjure up some fits, and then we will see it over where I shoot my fits at. Alright, so before we break down this first fit, I do have to say, these are like the craziest shorts I've ever owned. I said on my Instagram, I'm doubling down on it in this video. These are so nuts. They're super comfortable. The gradient knit is like nuts. Just the whole idea of this and the ability to execute on that idea, I'm blown away. Very happy I bought these. Was not the best financial decision at the moment, but I am super happy that I ended up getting them. Gonna have these for a very long time, and yeah, hopefully just don't mess them up. But anyways, I felt like I had to go really crazy for the first fit since these shorts are so crazy. So we've got some of my all-time grail pieces in this video. Starting off up top, we have the Guitar Boy trucker hat. It's got the little bejeweled action going on there. Has that like distressed look, so some of those crystals are missing on purpose. That's how I was when I bought the hat. Shout out to my boy Travis Shake. I bought it from him used, but he took really good care of it, and he also put me on to the Guitar Boy brand. So yeah, huge shout out to him. And yeah, getting into the rest of the fit, we had the Scarface baked tee from 2006, I believe. I also bought this used because I wasn't into Bape at all in 2006, had no idea, but I wanted this shirt for a really long time. I actually want all the colorways, so if I come into some money, I'll probably end up buying the other colorways, but the blue one was my favorite, so I went with it. And then obviously we have these shorts, and then down below we have the Louis Vuitton Honolulu Mules. Not sure what this colorway was called, but these only released at 3 stores in the US, and one of them was the Beverly Hills store. It just so happened to be that they were in stock while I was out there, so I felt like I had to scoop them up. So yeah, felt like this fit was pretty crazy. Definitely probably gonna be my favorite of the 3. But anyways, on to the next one. Alright, so for the second fit, we've got some like country club type action going on. We just have like the standard tennis shoes. So these are by Koyo. These are like the salmon pink colorway. These shoes are so fire, dude. I've put these shoes through absolute hell, and they've held up amazing. The quality on these is totally worth the money that you're paying. I think they have raised their prices a little bit since I purchased these, but highly recommend if you guys are looking for a style of shoe like this. I would go with Koyo. I'd wanted Common Projects for a while, but Common Projects were like $150 more at the time. And yeah, these are like pretty much indestructible. I really need to clean them. They're in desperate need of some TLC, but I only have like one bad scuff on them that I don't think I'll ever be able to get out. And as far as this back part, it is suede. It's super dirty right now because of lack of care, not because the suede is like super hard to keep clean or anything. This suede actually stayed really clean for a long time. It's just, like I said, I have not been very kind to these shoes, but they're perfect if I'm like going somewhere, like going out to the bars or whatever, and I don't want to worry about messing up a nice pair of shoes. Like those Louis Vuitton sandals, very, very cautious about where I wear those. And then we have the shorts, obviously. And then up top, we have a Stussy French Terry cotton polo. So I haven't worn this shirt forever. There's not anything on the back. But this is like, I love this shirt. I got it from Urban Outfitters when I was probably like a freshman in college, maybe a sophomore. So yeah, I love this piece. Just the texture on this fit is going crazy. Love the materials for this one. Definitely something I can see myself wearing this summer if I'm going out to get a bite or just like get some drinks with friends. Alright, and then for the last fit, I thought this one would be kind of fun. Just all the colors on this shirt I felt like kind of went with the shorts. So the shirt up top is Lil Wayne Carter 5 merch. So he did like 10 different days where he dropped a different piece of merch each day, and each piece of merch was designed by a different person. This one was Heron Preston, so it's got the little Heron Preston branding there. And this is technically the only Heron Preston piece I own, even though I don't know if I'd really call it a Heron Preston piece because it is printed on like a Gildan t-shirt. So not really the same. But yeah, the back, I thought the back on this shirt is really cool. I love that like airbrushed look. So yeah, I love the graphics on this shirt. Just the quality of the shirt, not that great, but I can live with it. And then down below, I matched it with some Jordan 1s just because I feel like Jordan 1s kind of go with literally everything. And I felt like the blue just matched the blue on the shorts. So yeah, I've got to say my first fit was definitely my favorite, but I'm going to have to see what all other crazy ways I can incorporate these shorts into my wardrobe. I'm sure a lot of times too, I'll just wear it with like a white tee. That would be very me to do. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this, and let me know down below. Do you guys enjoy seeing me unboxing the items and then styling them with different pieces? Or do you guys just want me to open them up and then pretty much get it over with? Because I do feel like it's a little bit more entertaining when I do these fit videos versus just the plain unboxing. But definitely want to hear what you guys have to say about that. Anyways, if you guys have made it to this point in this video, thank you so much for watching. We will see you next time. Have a good one.